Got my amethyst, rose quartz, and turquoise gem bracelets on, and I'm going to be setting up my gem corner slash detox slash stress relief corner vibes moment. So let me show you what's going on here. So far, this is the stats. I found this rock the other day. I have this incense cone, white sage. I have some sage right here, like so. This bad boy right here. I'm gonna put some incense here. Na 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 na. Put this in there. Voila, voila. Now it needs some gems. It needs some gems. Let's put some gems. Let's put a black tourmaline stone here. Let's put amethyst stone here. Let's see. Let's put selenite. Let's see, right here. Where should we put it? Here. Here's good. Let's see. Some rose quartz. Put that here. Let's see. What else do we got? Put some regular quartz. Like so. More rose quartz here. Oh no, that's just regular quartz. I believe this is rose quartz, so some more rose quartz, some more black tourmaline. Let's see. What shall stay in the bowl? I guess I'll take these regular quartz and we'll put these here. I'm gonna put this heart. Put this bad boy in here. What else? There were supposed to be 2 hearts, but the other one got estranged. Okay, I think I'm happy with this. Okay, final vibes. I put in a little bit too much work into this. Oops. But ignition. So you're supposed to let this burn for a little bit before you blow it out for the best effect. So just use it to light your incense cone. So that didn't work too smoothly. Doopsie poopsies. So just going to matches are better for this application. Kind of burn, sage, burn. I'm ready for this negativity and anxiety and bad chakras to exit my life. Please and thank you. And that's the the dish in full action. Wonderful. Wonderful.